Good morning. Hi, I am Neil and here my partner Shreya. We create data visualization stories in SAP Analytical Cloud. So what is SAP Analytical Cloud? It is an analysis tool which is used in large organizations to analyze large set of data and predict the future outcomes and behaviors. It also made specifically with the intent of providing all analytics capability to all users in one product. For these data visualizations, we are using general healthcare data of in Australia. We took the data according to the age, location, fund resources, private and public hospital data, non-emergency and emergency data, etc. So now let's begin the process. First of all, we need to log in by using our login ID and password. When you log in, it will take you to the home page. Like here we are. Here you can see your profile and all the functional tools. You can also see the data visualization story that you already created in recent stories tab. Here I already created my stories as a graph one. When you open it, here you can see 10 different visualizations. Let's start with the first visualizations. This visualizations is about number of patient treatment in public and private hospital during the year 2013 to 16, where the blue line is for the private and orange is for the public hospital treatment. We can easily conclude that the Australian prefer the private hospital treatment than a public hospital treatment. Let's take the next visualization story. This story is highlight the number of patients admitted in a public hospital and distinguished by the different color for the admission of treatment like emergency, non-emergency, overnight emergency, etc. So let's take the next visualizations. So this visualization story is same as the previous, but only difference is that it also highlights the number of patients admitted in private hospital and distinguished by the different colors for the admission of treatment. So next visualizations by explained by the Shreya.
Hi, I am Shreya and I will explain the further visualization story. This visualization story illustrates the 20 most common procedure blocks for childbirth in public hospital by funding resource. This procedure include generalized aligned health intervention, postpartum suture, medical or surgical induction of labor, etc. According to this visualization, we can conclude that the highest number of patients have generalized aligned health interventions and the lowest number of patients have the other procedures. Now let's move to the next visualization story. This story depicts the number of patients separation by funding resource. Here, if we analyze the data from year 2013 to 2016, we conclude that the highest funding comes from the public patients and then the private health insurance. Let's move to the geographic visualization story. Here you can see the geographical map of Australia. It shows overall data of general healthcare in number of surgical patients in Australian regions. This geographic visualizations makes easy to understand the general healthcare data of Australian surgical patients. Let's move to the conclusion. We merge all 10 data in one visualization story. This data visualization stories helps Australian government to analyze and distinguish several aspects of general healthcare of patients through public and private hospital and also highlight source of funding and public preference. According to the data visualization stories, we can suggest Australian government to take initiative steps towards funding and public preference toward general healthcare data. So this is how SAP Analytic Cloud makes easy to analyze large amount of data. So this is how SAP Analytic Cloud tools make easy to predict the future outcomes for any large organization by analyze large amount of data. Thank you.